Hi there, welcome back to Affluent Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Kua.ai, which is basically a software that allows you to create a lot of content, for example, for social media posts for your e-commerce store. Okay, so straight away we can see that the headline is very clear and the subheadline is also very transparent for any prospect that might be coming onto the platform. And then as soon as we scroll down, we can see a very strong element of credibility in terms of the number of people that have used this product, more than 200,000, which is really strong credibility. And we can also see all the logos of the companies that have already used this, so, or that have already implemented this, okay, which is good, as well as these AWS partner awards and certificates. And if we scroll down, we can see more information about how this works. And this is actually interactive, which is actually makes it a lot more interesting to understand. And here there is somebody with a from the company that actually goes into more depth about how it works, which is great. Okay, then we got more explanations, and the good thing that you see as well is every section you can see a CTA, which is good in order to convert uh, more in terms of opt-ins, right? And here you get the contact. Here we got more credibility in terms of the ratings from Capterra and Product Hunt, right? And here the good thing that we've got is they've actually got a lot of um, testimonials, which are very good again for credibility. Okay, so this then takes us to the end of the homepage. One thing I would say that might help them in terms of conversions is adding a FAQ page at the bottom of the page. Um, and this is helpful in order to handle any objection that a prospect might have about using the software. I can see that they've got this in the actual footer, but potentially adding a few of those questions, not just, and they don't really need to add them all, just adding a couple of them to the actual homepage might help the actual conversions, especially because the prospect might not have the time to actually jump around the homepage, right? Okay. And also, just to complete, we can also look at the pricing, see how that looks. And as you can see, the pricing is very clear as well. You can see the price being stated clearly, and each feature is clearly explained in each tier. And so a prospect can make an informed decision about um, exactly what plan is what works best for them. Also, just for completion, we can see what happens when we click on the try for free page. And as you can see, what they have here, which is really nice, they basically have the actual platform and how it would work, right? And this is really helpful for the prospect because they can get a straight feel into how it would look like if they chose to actually um, use it. But the cool thing is, if you were to make some changes or to actually want to start trying it, then you will be forced to sign in or to sign up in case you haven't used this before. So, and I believe if we wanted to create the conversions one way or another, then first step to do so would be to use heat maps like click maps and to simply check where the users are spending the most time and where are they clicking the most. And using heat maps, it'd be and eye tracking tools as well. It'd be helpful to see where they're spending most of their time, and if those were not potentially attractive areas for conversions, then it might be helpful to remove them or to potentially move them in different places. Okay, But other than that, I think it's a good website, and I'm sure with a few more modifications, they could potentially convert a lot more. Otherwise, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you do happen to be a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call, and I may be able to help you. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.